guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a full middle part clip-in tutorial. So it's going to be curly hair, it's going to be 18 inches, we're going to have some leave out, and yeah. So I just want y'all to get a quick look again. For those of y'all who follow me, y'all know what my hair texture looks like. My hair, I feel like it's just naturally frizzy at the top, and then I have some curls definition at the bottom. So yeah, but my hair is freshly washed, and this is exactly a week after I did my clip-ins for the connecting style, and I just took my clip-ins out yesterday and did the whole washing thing right before I had an appointment. So I was like doing a lot, and today is still a lot because it's supposed to be my off day, but I gotta do my hair. So anyway, like, yeah, this is our situation here, but I am freshly washed and conditioned. I deep conditioned as well. I actually deep conditioned overnight, not on purpose, but yeah. So I got in the shower and rinsed it all out this morning, and then I let it sit for about 2 hours or 2 to 3 hours in a little bun, and I had a microfiber towel over it. So this is what it's looking like. I'm feeling it, but you know, it ain't gonna ever just stay like this. So we gotta style it. So yeah. All right, you guys, so I am back, and here's my leave out. All this whole U part section. I'm low-key scared because I don't know how I'm about to blend it. Yeah, I don't know how I'm about to blend this because originally when I did the last style, I had like a connecting style right here. So I'm a tad bit nervous for how this is gonna look, but we're just gonna trust the process. But you can see like the texture of my hair here too, like just in a twist. And this is no product, no nothing. This isn't even moisturized. So yeah, but the back, however, I took care of the back, honey. Let me make sure we can see. Okay, so I tried to give you a little runaround of my braiding pattern. So now we have the fun part. This is like a little hack that I just thought of. Maybe some people have already knew about this, but the way I put my hair, or I'm able to dry it, like I have my butterfly clips and I put the bundles on here and boom. Put it on a hanger and then period. So I have to separate these really quick so I can figure out how I'm gonna do this. But I'm just gonna begin putting on my clip-ins, and then we'll focus on the leave out when I'm done. The clip-ins should take no more than 15 minutes. Y'all, I was getting scared. So this exactly took me like 8 minutes because it says it on the timer, the clock, while I'm recording. That is so crazy to me. That's actually really freaking good. The next step would be to, you know, define this, make it cute and whatnot. And honestly, I just forgot like how I do this. I'm probably gonna have to watch some of my old YouTube videos just to figure it out real quick. But ideally, I kind of wanted to see if I can wear it out of my face and stuff like that. But I'm quickly just going to part. Oh, look how frizzy and thick my hair is compared to this. I'm just gonna directly part my hair in the middle because we're doing a regular middle part. I'm basically gonna have to section off 3 sections. Okay, so we have my hair out, right? I'm gonna, instead of doing 3 sections, I'm gonna do 5. So 2 right here, 2 right here, and 1 back here so I can cover the track back here. So yeah, I'm gonna do that off camera and you're gonna see how, I'm gonna show you after I'm done. Alright, never mind, I came back. So I just want to show you, I'm actually going to get ready to define this part. This is a lot shorter than the clip-ins here, but when they dry, they're going to shrink up a little bit. And as well as here, like, it's supposed to be a natural look. So once I define my hair in a flat twist, it'll kind of elongate and it'll sort of match this. So I'm going to be using the curl defining gel, and smells really good. And I'm going to be using a dimming brush, and then it's important for me specifically for my hair type to have my oil. So today we have olive oil. I'm not a fan of the smell, but you know, it's very moisturizing, and it's, I want to say it's mid-weight, medium weight. Is that a thing? Like, it's not lightweight, but it's not heavy either. So I'm just going to be taking as much as I need on the side and basically just defining this part. And I was going to put like some type of cream moisturizer on it, but I realized that that's not going to do good for my hair because it's going to flake. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this all at the roots. And I'm going to brush it out from the bottom to the root. My hair works the best on dry hair, so we work on dry hair as well. So you can see like my curl forming, whatever, but it's still not matching the texture just because, look, yeah. So I'm just gonna flat twist it. And also with the oil, I want to make sure that I put some on my fingertips and rub it throughout. So this can essentially break the cast in a day or 2 as well. So yeah, it's gonna shrink up a little bit, but that's okay because this hair is gonna shrink up as well. So you can see the difference, whatever, yeah. Okay, so we're down to the 3 more sections because I twisted this side and then I made a twist over here. It's a big chunky twist, but I'm gonna teach y'all how to do this too. I'm hoping this come out right the way I'm saying I'm gonna teach y'all, okay? So I'm gonna add some gel. I try not to put an overload of gel because that'll just be too much product, because I end up twisting my hair probably, I want to say 3 to 4 times throughout the week if I want it to look super defined. But if I don't care about the definition, then I just literally leave it alone from the day that I take it out. But sometimes I care about definition, so I don't really leave it alone too much. But yeah, this is, twisting it is also good because it ensures that it's going to stay moisturized, because I always take in some more oil and apply it to the strand that I am working on. Like, moisture is very important. Moisture is very important when you have styles like this. So you want to focus on that. But I take the dimming brush and I brush it, and then my hair likes the praying hands method. So usually the praying hands method goes like this. You literally go like that, but watch how it like curls up a little bit. So this is how we're trying to get it, as far as not the curl, but as far as it blending in with the curls. So I'm gonna take a section back here. It doesn't have to be a lot of hair, just enough to where it can blend in and create like a medium-sized twist. So I just literally start twisting it. And some people have like a really strict method on how they twist, but as long as the twist is tight so that it can stay defined, that's all that matters. But I don't do like a whole roll and twist thing. I literally just continue to twist like so. And if I know that my hair is gone, like within the twist, like say it stops right here, I'll just leave the end. But for right now, I can't really tell where it's at, so I'm just kind of twist mostly to the bottom and leave like a little bit like that. And I try to put it in a place where I know I want it to fall, which is back here, because I'm also going to be separating this. So this one I'm a little scared for. Oh no. Now we're down to the last two sections. Now this I'm a little concerned about, just because I don't know exactly how I'm going to be working with it. But I'm thinking of doing 6 twists or just 4. So once I get down to the last twist, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so I just finished doing this one. My hair appears a bit thinner at the bottom, so it's like the twist isn't all the way there, but I might go back and redo this one so that it can be. But for the most part, if I wear a scarf and stuff and blow dry correctly, that shouldn't matter too much. But again, just gonna repeat the process. And usually when I do a style like this with the roots, I put Black Panther right on my part so it can still lay flat. But in order to like avoid putting gel, like hard pomades on my hair, like close to my scalp, I'm gonna just try and wear a scarf after I diffuse the curly hair, and then I'll put a scarf on and then blow dry the top and see if that does anything. But if it depends on how I feel, because if I feel like it's not gonna work, then I'm gonna just put the Black Panther there. But I just want to avoid putting like too much product close to my scalp. So after I do this, oh, the curls is popping, okay? We love it. We love to see it. Add your oil so that the gel cast can break in a couple of days. And I might just add a little bit more gel, like literally that much, and apply it at the root and bring it down. Just gonna go over with the brush once more. Oh, baby. Baby. What? Okay, y'all can't tell me this don't look like the clip-ins. Let me know if this look like the clip-ins, okay? Okay, let me... So I'm just gonna go and do the praying hands method before I start twisting. It just helps elongates my hair. And then I'm just gonna begin the twisting process just like this. Look how long the twist is. It's almost as long as the clip-in hair. Okay, so I wrapped my hair, which is the top half, and that's good because it's not really getting all of my clip-ins. So now I'm just gonna go in and blow dry this for about, I want to say 30 seconds, not too long, just so that it can set and kind of be flat so I can avoid putting that Black Panther on it. Alright y'all, so I finished the whole thing. I blow dried the top for about a minute, and then my hair is going to air dry through the rest of the process. It already looks bigger, mainly on this side, but this side too. To create more volume in your hair, all you have to do is separate the curls that are like forming together. Just separate them and then you'll get more volume. But yeah, so this is low-key a look, just throwing your hoops, and you could do your edges at the top. I'm not gonna stress it right now because I'm gonna be going to sleep. I don't think I'm taking this out tonight. So once this dries, it's gonna feel a little hard. That's a good thing. So that's how you know, like, okay, I can take it out in order to blend your hair. But if it doesn't feel hard, like this still feels very damp, you wait till it completely dries. Because if it's not completely dry, you are okay. So I'm gonna come back on camera when I'm ready to take this out. I'm praying that it looks good. And if it doesn't, you just do a little pullback style and you can get away with that. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. And take this, put it all up on the hands. Gonna rub it all over and take it out. Hopefully it looks alright. Boom.